Chronic Lymphocytic Leukemia. Introduction. Which of the following blood components helps fight infection? Choose one of the following. 1. Platelets. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells. Correct. Which of the following types of blood cells is affected by leukemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Platelets. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells. Correct. In leukemia, the abnormal cells are white blood cells. It is always possible to determine the cause of CLL in a patient. Select true or false. Correct. It is not possible to specify the cause of cancer in an individual patient. Having a risk factor for chronic lymphocytic leukemia means you will get it. Select true or false. Correct. Having a risk factor for a cancer increases the chances of developing this cancer. It does not mean the person will develop the cancer. Which of the following are risk factors for chronic lymphocytic leukemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. A family history of CLL. 2. Being middle-aged or older. 3. Exposure to certain chemicals such as Agent Orange. 4. All of the above. Correct. Blood tests always show what type of leukemia a person has. Select true or false. Correct. Blood and bone marrow samples are used in diagnosing chronic lymphocytic leukemia. CLL must be distinguished from other types of leukemia before being diagnosed. Stage 1 cancer is more dangerous and advanced than Stage 4. Select true or false. Correct. Stage 1 cancer is less advanced than Stage 4. This means it is usually more treatable. The goals of treatment for CLL are to stop the disease and prevent it from happening again. Select true or false. Correct. These are the goals of treatment. Treatment for CLL may include targeted therapy, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. It may also include surgery. Thank you for using Explain.